Welcome to Jamaican Girl Shan.
Guys, welcome back guys. It's another banger again today, guys. Good morning, near and far where we are. You don't know, so today we are going on the river, guys. Yes, we are going on the river. Yeah, so come with me. Mommy and my sister over there. So it's a spring. Yes, guys, see road there. You know, we're there out in nature, you know. Yes, bush up and sit where walk and go around. Yes, guys, we still there on the journey. Still there on the journey, around, guys. That's why I want to big up on yourself, you know? And stay blessed. And continue to subscribe and like up the video, them guys. Please and thanks. Okay? Yeah. Whenever take time I walk a ground, guys. Down here, so. Far down in our gully, that a river that, you know, guys. But we are growing a big pool. You see it? So stay tuned and come with us. Yes, guys. We're close to the river. Still going down. Yes, guys, we are walking good on. Down here, pretty, guys. Long time not come around here, you know. Yes, guys, welcome back, guys. We finally reached. Look, what a nice and pretty. Look, guys, what a nice and lovely peeps. It's a good look. Good look why I'm not coming here from my kids, you know, guys. I like when me a kids every day me usually around here I swim. Yeah. It's a good look. Water come from way up the stream up there, so come straight back down. Water nice and lovely. Come meet people around here too, guys. Yes, guys. Yeah, we are going to hold a truck up. Down there we are going, guys. Down there.
Shan, look, you must look where you go. I'm not catching. You're not catching? No.
Why? Sana go bomba. Wow.
Shut up. Sama, you can't manage to jump up.
Come push ya. Come.
Stop it.
Shan. Yes, guys, the moment they might come down there. What a nice and lovely, guys. Yeah.
Come on, mommy. Come on,
You know, come. So, damn it, nice.
in the pool. Try my mom. Shall move some on the chop up down there. Shana mermaid. You don't see? Mermaid! I wish you could have seen the dog. Shan!
Reach out in the water. Pause. Diggy. Diggy. What? Puppy are come everybody too, guys. Move it to our puppy, man. See? Puppy want to come, guys. Water nice. Woo! Mommy, I swim. I want the rock stone. The mother swim look quiet, guys. See my sister there? Want me to come feel? She afraid for crash. Mommy that enjoy water. She is stuck up there, so guys. Water nice. Movie a bed.
Water sweet, guys.
Oh, say you not come. Dog day. What puppy is it? Puppy dog. Yeah. Puppy swim. All the puppy swim, guys. That is it. Yeah.
Okay, guys, that shows you going to jump off. Yeah! Let's show the van back. You catch him, Sarah?
Yeah, we catch you.
You catch him, Vicky?
Come back, Flick!
Yes, guys. Don't you want to see my talent? We're going to show the talent. Yes. Okay, see the talent.
Come na, mommy. Come, girl, na na.
Yan na, come.
Yes. Woo! That's it.
Yes, guys, you don't know. We done swim now, guys, and we're going around.
Yeah.
But no, guys.
Yes, guys. On the journey going around back, guys. Done bed, guys.
Yes, guys, we done bed
Nice day.
and we're going around. So, big up, and you guys have a nice day.
Bye.
And bye.
Peace out.
Ciao, guys.
She take a shot up at the Casamigo. Hammy very dark, choppy food, sell it half once. Shut them out, make your mommy talk, kick it down, fuck it off. She said, bring a booty down, kill it out, fuck it out, company.
Welcome back, guys. Yeah, Jamaican girl Shan again, and we are on our way home because we're just coming back from the river, guys. So I just wanted to know, happy Sabbath to you guys, and bless up.